Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Kay. Today we will read Frozen, Spirits of Nature by Natasha Bouchard and illustrated by the Disney Storybook Art Team. This book was published by Disney Press in 2019. There were once 4 spirits of nature. The spirits have not been seen for many years. Elsa's power is growing. She blasts her magic. It wakes the spirits. The trolls tell Elsa the spirits are upset. Elsa must face the spirits. She will go to the enchanted forest. Anna and Elsa go north. Their friends go too. They find the enchanted forest behind a wall of mist. The 4 spirits are wind, fire, water, and earth. The wind spirit is playful and friendly. The fire spirit is small but mighty. The wind spirit swirls around the friends. They fly into the air. The fire spirit runs through the forest. Elsa chases its fire with her ice power. Earth giants are big and powerful. The water spirit is swift like a horse. Earth giants sleep by the river. Anna and Olaf float by. They stay very quiet. This water spirit swims in the dark sea. Elsa meets the water spirit. Elsa faced the spirits. There will be peace throughout the land. The end. Thank you for reading along. Be sure to rate and follow us for new episodes posted daily.